are you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm really excited about today's video because I haven't done one of these in so long. It's a purse unboxing. I haven't purchased a purse in a very long time, so I'm super excited to show you guys this bag. I actually haven't even opened it. I wanted to, you know, have a first impressions unboxing with you guys. But before we get started, I am just in such a great mood, and I don't know, things have been really flowing really well for me, and I've just been a lot happier, and I am so grateful to have you guys. And I know I say it over and over, and I thank you guys over and over, but truly I feel like I'm in such a better headspace lately, and a part of it is because of you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would really appreciate it, especially if you enjoy my content. Hit the notification bell as well so you know when I post my videos. And then if you could just give me a thumbs up on this video, it really helps with the algorithm and my channel. So I would greatly appreciate it, you guys. I think that's pretty much it. I want to jump in because I'm so excited to open this box. I've been waiting like 3 days now to open it with you guys, and I'm so excited. Let's get started. All right, the box is right here, and oh wait, I just realized this is the first time I'm filming, I think, and uploading with my haircut. I cut my hair. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my Instagram here on the screen. I posted when I cut it, and you guys were loving it, so I appreciate everybody who messaged me because I was scared to cut it off, but I was like, you know what, my hair grows so fast. I was like, just cut it. And I think it's cute. I think it's fun, it's different, and I'm loving it so far. It definitely takes a lot less time to do and blow out, which I can always, I can't talk today. I can always appreciate that. All right, so here's the box, and I do have a box cutter here. You guys can tell by the title already where this bag is from. I did make this purchase off Minkoff.com, off the actual website, and I have never owned a Rebecca Minkoff personally, and I'm so excited because I have not purchased a new bag in probably years. Probably. I've been wearing the same small, tiny crossbody bags for a very long time now, and I was like, I want a bag that's bigger, and I'm so excited about this. Let me move the box. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me tell you guys a story really quick because I got this for such a good deal, and I'm actually going to leave a coupon down below if you guys are interested in Rebecca Minkoff. It's like their own like referral program, but if you do want a discount, I will leave that down below. But yeah, you don't have to use my link if you don't want a coupon. It's fine. Also, I did get cash back on Rakuten, which was formerly known as Ebates. So this bag is originally $300, like $298. It was on sale on Rebecca Minkoff for $199. Then they were doing an extra 30% off on top of the sale price, and then I got 15% cash back through Rakuten. If you are not shopping through Rakuten, this is not sponsored, you guys. I'm just trying to get you guys a good deal, saving some money. You guys know I'm all about saving the money. But if you want to save some extra money and get cash back, you guys, I got 15% cash back, so it was almost like a little over $20 cash back when I bought this bag. So in total, I only ended up spending like $120-ish on this bag, and it's originally $300. Couldn't pass it up. I couldn't say no. All right, you guys, so let's just jump right into it. It is nicely wrapped and packaged. Again, this is my first time purchasing from Rebecca Minkoff. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's heavy. I almost dropped it. Take the tissue off here so it's wrapped. Wow, there's lots of plastic. I don't know if I love that, but like for the environment, but here we are. Nicely protected, I should say. Oh, you guys. So like I said, I wanted a slightly bigger bag. Oh my gosh. And oh my gosh, I love this. So this is the Rebecca Minkoff Edie Flap. Edie Flap shoulder bag. And I'm gonna take all of this off, you guys, because oh my gosh, tons of, it is so cute. Look how protected everything is. All the hardware on here is amazing quality. I believe this is leather, so if you guys are not into leather, then you might not like this bag. How do I get this off? I'm just like ripping all of this off right now. Oh my goodness, look at all of this. It is all just wrapped up very nicely. I am not graceful at all, you guys. Oh my goodness, even, you guys, even the tag has a protective foam around it. Why? I think that's a little excessive in my opinion, but yeah, this is the Edie flap shoulder in the color steel. If you guys want this bag, it comes with a dust bag, really cute tan dust bag that says Rebecca Minkoff. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is a, I believe, 12-inch bag, so it is a lot bigger than like my little crossbodies that I carry typically. But how gorgeous is she with the chevron kind of detailing? And oh my goodness, again, you guys, I got such a good deal on this, and I love the gunmetal hardware. So a lot of times you'll find the Rebecca Minkoff bags with like a gold or silver hardware, and I like to wear both, so I thought the gunmetal would be perfect to kind of mix and match metals if I'm wearing like silver or gold earrings and rings and stuff like that. But look how cute. This is such a great size, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, let me stand up really quick so I can show you guys. Move my chair. So it hits me like right at the hip. Oh, cute, right? And what's also really cool is that you can make it a crossbody. All right, so this is honestly, I'm really short, you guys. So for me, this works as a crossbody, but if you are taller than me, I'm 5'1". So if you are taller than me, I don't think this would work as a crossbody for tall people because it's pretty short. But I personally am going to wear it as a shoulder bag. Shoulder bags are very in right now. I don't have any currently. So I was so excited when this went on sale because I've been dying for a bag that's not black. If you guys know me, I live in black. I wear black all the time. Most of my accessories are black, so I wanted something neutral but different, and I thought this steel color would be the perfect like transition winter to spring shade. You can wear this anytime, I think. I think it would be great in the fall too, but like, look how beautiful. I'm going to leave the link to the Edie bags down below. Again, I think this is sold out on the website, like this particular color steel. From 300 to like 120, and it's amazing quality, you guys. If you've never owned a Rebecca Minkoff bag, they do really great styles for an affordable, well, more affordable price, because this is very Chanel-esque. It's very YSL, like Yves Saint Laurent-esque. It's just gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I am in love with this bag. I love that it has leather straps here at the shoulder because it's going to be like more comfortable to wear throughout the day. Oh my gosh, let me move this box. And what's really awesome is that it has this little clip detailing here, but you actually just open it with the magnetic clasp. So it looks like that. And then, here we go. Inside, you have so many compartments. So you have one in the front, you have one in the middle. Ooh, okay. Again, everything is protected. You have a zip pocket in the middle. So again, front, middle, back, and you get a zip back here as well. Let me pull this off, there we go. So there's another zip pocket back here. So there are so many pockets. And then on the back, you also have a pocket here. So this is going to be perfect for people who like to have their phone easily accessible, maybe like a small wallet or a lip gloss. Just put it right in here. That way you don't have to completely open the whole bag to get your phone out. It's amazing quality. Again, it is leather, so just keep that in mind. Oh my gosh, I I love this, you guys. So yeah, I'm not sure what else I can say about it. I don't know if there's anything bad so far. Again, I just got this in. I literally just unboxed it with you. So maybe when I wear it a little bit more, I can give you guys a better review. But I have seen a few videos where people said that this magnetic closure is very strong, so sometimes it's hard to open the bag. So that means it is secure, but if you're trying to like grab something quickly, you might have to like pull it open. So I'm going to be mindful of that as well. Also, the videos I've watched, they recommend to keep the stuffing, because if you're not using it, you want to keep it stuffed, or else it will like kind of concave in, because it is a like more flexible, soft leather. But y'all, is this not the most gorgeous? It makes me so happy. They also have a slightly smaller one. I think it's called the Edie like crossbody or something. Just look at the dimensions. This is the bigger one. So I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed, and I think it's totally worth it, especially if you can get it on sale like me from, what did I say, 300 down to like 120-ish. Definitely make sure you use Rakuten. You get cash back, and if you want a discount on Rebecca Minkoff, use the link down below. But again, you don't have to use my link if you don't want to. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and this video. If you have any questions about the bag or in general, leave it down below in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe as well. And yeah, follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with me personally, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!